Hey boys and girls, welcome back to the library. I have another great story to share with you. This is one written by Sherry Rinker, and she writes several books about these characters on a construction site. This one is called Mighty Mighty Construction Site. Let's open it up and see back and front together, make one big picture. I hope you enjoy this one, boys and girls. Mighty Mighty Construction Site by Sherry Dusky Rinker and Tom Lichtenheld. This book is published by Chronicle Kids. You'll hear some rhymes in the story as I read. Down in the big construction site, 5 trucks wake to morning light. It's time to stretch, roll out of bed, and gear up for the day ahead. They wipe their faces, greet the sun, load up, fuel up, rev up, run. They're eager to get things underway. There's a brand new job to start today. The plans unrolled. They stare in awe. The biggest thing they ever saw. A massive building so immense. This giant job will be intense. It's a lot for them to do. Too much for just a 5-truck crew? Cement mixer is thinking fast. He gives his horn a blaring blast. Honk! Honk, honk, honk. Mighty trucks all hear the call. They start up in no time at all. Out on the road they drive full steam. They rush right in to join the team. Rolling, rumbling, revving hard, 10 big trucks meet in the yard. A mighty massive super crew. There is nothing they can't do. Skid steers nimble, small and quick. She turns, she spins, she does a trick. Bulldozer's heavy, wide and grand. He'll push and plow to clear the land. But even he can use a hand. Skid's breaker bit blasts rock to rubble, so Dozer rolls through without trouble. 2 friends at work, one big, one small. They clear the way. They move it all. Each trench is marked and planned. Excavator digs the land. Then backhoe grabs a drainage pipe and sets it down in one smooth swipe. Turn and dig, then lift and drop, then push some dirt right back on top. They set each pipe and then repeat. This duo doesn't miss a beat. Pulling up with all his might, crane truck lifts a beam to height. And then he spins his hook around, but just before it touches ground, crane truck gasps out in surprise. He's used up all of his supplies. But what's this coming down the road? Could it be another load? Mighty flatbed revs and runs, smoothly hauling 50 tons. Down the road and over hills, her load's strapped tight so nothing spills. On site, she rolls right to a stop with crane supplies all stacked on top. Flatbed's truck just saved the day. Their work can get back underway. Front end loader and dump truck pair to move great loads from here to there. Digging, lifting, hauling ground, giant piles are moved around. Loader digs and scoops his fill, then tilts up so there's no spill. His bucket raises to the max, then beep, 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 as loader backs. Dirt and gravel hauled away. These pals move mountains every day. Cement mixer is working hard around the whole construction yard. Load after load he churns and pours, makes foundations, roads, and floors. But now the concrete needs to climb. And here is Pumper, right on time. Pumper's boom unfolds, goes high, reaching up, up toward the sky. Fill the hopper, flip the switch, and zoom, concrete is pushed into the boom. Up through the pipe, it does not stop, then concrete comes out way on top. Churn and pour and lift and fill. This team works hard with speed and skill. Rough and rugged all day long, rolling, lifting, digging strong. Each truck has a part to play to help the work get done today. Just like the plan, the job's complete. This awesome team just can't be beat. Cooperation got it done. Teamwork made it fast and fun. The new crew leaves, but on their way, crane truck waves. Great work today. The crew drives off, engines loud, feeling tired, but strong and proud. It's getting dark. The sun has set. The trucks are tired as they can get. They all roll to find their cozy beds, to cuddle up and rest their heads, to close their eyes and drift away. New adventures wait another day. Construction site, all tucked in tight. Great work today. Now, shh. Good night. Mighty, mighty construction site. I like how they all work together and aren't afraid to ask for help from friends. And they get the job done. I hope you enjoyed that one, boys and girls. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.